So we're gonna simply delete the card first. We'll see all the information go through. If the program is working correctly. Sometimes it doesn't do that, and you have to exit out and go back in. And you just format the card.
And other projects have some mitigation for attacks on PSAP, things like that.
So that's done. Okay, so over here, and then you want to open your X2. Go to the front page. This is the line, you want to put your track 2 in there from your dump. So pull up your dump. Just take this number here. This is your track 2. Copy it. Paste it in there. Card holder name, usually just erase this. If you know it, you can put it in there. If it's included in your track, put it in there. Application label is going to be Visa Debit in this case. You're using a debit card. If it's not, then just put it in. It's kind of hard to hold the phone and type at the same time. Track 1. First, select Visa, because if you have this here, and then say you change it and you put your track number in there, blah, 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 and then you're like, oh wait a minute, it's a MasterCard, and when you change it, it's gonna change that. So select this first. And in this case, we don't have the discretionary data for track 1. We're just gonna put a space there and it will delete it. I'm gonna go Omni key. Your ID for Visa is 31010. For MasterCard, it's going to be 41010. You can confirm this in CardPeek by looking at other cards. You'll see that those are the numbers. Our country code is for the USA is 0840. Currency. And the PIN is in the dump on this one, so it's 2606. If you don't have the PIN, you can just leave that blank. And then we want to change data. Again, this date comes up where it comes from. You want to put your expiration date in there, which is 2409. So 24 is the year, 09 is the month, and you want to put the last day of that month. So 09 is September, so it's got 30 days, and put 30. If it were October, you'd put like 31. We don't do credit yet. We're going to go to IST. Now, this is where you want to load up a real card. In this case, I'm going to use Chase. Seems to work. And then you read this card. And now what it's doing is it's taking the information you put on the first page and it's incorporating it with the IST on this card. And then you want to save it. That file's already here, so I'm just going to use an existing one. You can rename it whatever you like. I'm going to copy over this one. This is entirely too loud. Okay, and then you load it back up. And then you generate. Once you generate, it ends in IST, so select a file and put .ist. And we go to the third page. You want to load that file that you just made, so it's the IST one. This information, you can go ahead and burn or do credit on the first page now. So take this out. Put your card in there.
bad guys going
I
wrong.
can do credit.
Purchase static.
This is what this is going to tell you if your numbers are short up here.
Interesting track to information.
So I'm short by 8.
This is something where they can literally buy
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
the bad guys, they'll buy, a breached credit card number. So that's something where, it's delivered, they make the physical card, and they can go from that point. So, and this is kind of what I envisioned as the first thing of the future. And this is kind of what the bad guys, because it's one of the things where
Now I can go over here
they're not
to the
using
loan.
static data for the most part.
Oh.
If it will be used for online transactions.
Now you can cut this number and paste it.
This is what I envisioned that the bad guys would
Because it's got the correct numbers on it now.
strictly for research purposes. It's not a functional part of side.
Otherwise, it'll prompt you to enter more numbers on this page. It's fine. Again, I don't know the card holder name, so I'm just going to erase it.
System for actually passing the credit card data.
This is going to be Visa Debit. This is in all capitals for Visa.
And it does all these EMV transactions in my time. So, and this is kind of what I envisioned.
Other people say you have to do capitals for MasterCard, but you don't. MasterCard is called Debit MasterCard. So we're going to... I will show you.
They've actually set up, in addition, it's not just simply buying static data anymore. They're actually basically purchasing a VPN tunnel to a fraud network. Is what the method that
This card doesn't have a chip. Excuse me.
there's still ways that people can actually stop this stuff if they take a little bit look of what extent that the bad guys will eventually go to.
Maybe this one doesn't have a chip either.
You have to enter a couple passwords, or connecting to the fraud network.
This one's got a chip.
Not the fraud network, but the actual delivery system, and it's all for demonstration. And yeah, so here's basically how
I know that's right.
time on a fraud, on this.
Okay, see how it says Debit MasterCard and that's lowercase.
Or the bad guy transaction, that's actually in a blockchain of events. So they're basically
And then
their transaction data at a specific time. That's when the bad guys at the
if you do Visa,
when we're going through this, you can look and you see their time block. All the other ones are also distributed. It sends all the information.
this one says Visa Debit, and you see how that's
entered on the other page, such as
capital.
limiting characters that people will need for some of the
Okay,
information.
so to prove that point, track data for discretionary data. If you have to track one point, don't put it in there. If not, just put that space. Country code again, 0840. I'm unclear why it doesn't automatically populate this. So there's ways you can manipulate cards by putting multiple different information, and I don't know. The Arqc, you get that from AP Tools, so I'm going to actually show you how to do that. Even though a lot of people just be like, oh, just put a number here, and they don't tell you like how to do it. Okay. I should have grabbed this PAN number first. First section of numbers is the PAN.
Not only is impersonating the cash-out machine, but it's also collecting a lot of the same data, because a lot of it's on unencrypted channels, or there's methods which I'll go into in a little bit here.
Where did it go? I lost it.
Let you know the limits of your of the transactions that the bad guys And yep, so here's, like I was saying, on that blockchain, there's going to be padding data.
We're going to go to DMV, cryptograms, 4.2. And here